Let's learn some new words. Buckle. It is a rectangle-shaped metal pin found on shoes. To buckle one's shoes means to close the buckle to wear shoes. Shut. It means to close. Pick up. It means to lift something. Lay. It means to put down things. Straight. It means to lay down things in a certain pattern. Dig and delve. It means to break up the mud in the ground to make a hole and look inside. Curtain. It means cloths that cover a stage before the start of a show. Kitchen. It is a place where food is cooked. Magazine. It is a kind of book with many pictures and news. Pray. It means to call to God for help. Plenty. Oh, that means a lot of things. Now let's sing a rhyme. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, draw the curtain. 15, 16, cook in the kitchen. 17, 18, read a magazine. 19, 20, let's pray for plenty.